Okay, in this video we're going to use the power punch. Shows you how easily it can make a hole, and even in stainless steel. And the first thing we want to do or show you on this is this bottom die here screws in and out, and it makes a difference as to how difficult it is to punch or how easy. So you can see right there it's sticking up beyond this lower jaw a bit, and you can just grab down here and back it out to where basically it's flush with this lower jaw here. That will give you the best mechanical advantage. And then this is the depth gauge, which has been modified so that, as you can see, let me try and get that back in there a little closer. There we go. You can see that it's only about a 1/16 of an inch from the edge of the punch to the depth gauge. And that way it makes it real nice for getting the depth without having to struggle to locate that. So now what we need to do is locate the center of our disc. This is a combination square that is called a centering square here. You can get these at Harbor Freight, and it actually has two other pieces that are on the rule here, but for our purposes we're only worried about the centering portion of that. So, and the other thing I've done is you'll notice I've got these little tick marks here. I did them at 1/4 inch increments, and the reason for that is we take our disc and we set it on there, and then what we can do is use those marks so we can figure out where the center is. And we just line them up there so that we have the center point. And trying to do this without knocking the camera. So then once we have located it where we feel center is going to be, I just take a Sharpie and whoops, there we go. We got a mark there. And then you take your power punch, and because the depth is going to be controlled by the gauge, we don't have to worry about that. All we have to do is worry about getting that line lined up with the pin, which I have done. I know it's probably not easy to see, but you'll get the idea. And so once you're there, just give it a squeeze. And that's all there is to it. And then to release it, you just lift up and it falls right off. I know with punch pliers you have to struggle to get it off, so this makes it much easier and faster. And again, we're punching stainless steel here, so if you're using on other metals such as copper or aluminum, even silver, it's going to be real easy to punch because they're much softer. So anyway, hope that helps. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day. Bye-bye.